Hey guys, it's Mira and today I'm going to be telling you how to make your own secret code. So yeah, if you have your siblings reading your text messages or some like sneaky person like reading your messages, you can use a cool secret code. So guys, if you think that making symbols is a tough thing and remembering them is also tough, we can also use alphabets to do the same. So before getting started, be sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. So let's get started. So guys, for this you need the alphabets handy, and let's use the operation +1. So guys, if I want to write A in the secret code using the operation +1, I will write A as B. So if I want to write ABC, in the secret code I will write B as 3 and C as D. So this is called ABC. And if you want to find the message with the secret code, you just have to -1 these. So B -1 is equal to A, and that is the message. So guys, if you want, you can make your own secret code, like +3 or -2, and different kind of. And if you want to represent Z and you are using the operation +1, then you have to write A. And the same is with A. If you are using A, you write A and you have to use the operation -1, then you can write A. So guys, I hope you understood what this means, and this is super easy with the alphabets. And yeah, it is easy to remember if you're a good ABC rememberer, like what. So guys, I hope you like this video, and also I want to give a shout out. So be sure to view this channel also. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and bye.